Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Today we're going to practice a wonderful rejuvenating Qigong movement and self-care techniques to help us age gracefully. Now let's get started. Stand, feet hip width. Begin to gently twist side to side. Warm up the middle section. And then add cupping. One hand over the shoulder, other hand on the spinal column over the door of life, the Mingmen point. The governing channel travels along the spine. The door of life is a powerful, powerful point. Cupping or knocking stimulates the flow of qi. You can do so gently or a bit more firm. One more time on each side. Release the arms, step your feet to a wider horse stance. Bring hands to your heart. Breathe in. As you breathe out, slowly shift your hips to the right. Turn the toes out slightly. As you move your hands towards the shoulder, rotate your neck to the opposite direction. And then slowly come back to center and move to the second side while turning the toes out, palms towards the shoulder, and rotate your neck away. Keep moving side to side. This is called swimming dragon, a gentle yet powerful full body movement. It is a longevity practice as it stimulates all 12 primary meridians as well as the two main energy channels, the Ren channel along the front and the Du channel along the spine. When you're shifting your hips to one side, aim your knee towards your second toe to engage the inner hamstring and the tendon behind the kneecap. This helps protect the knee joint and supports proper alignment with the ankle. Like a dragon, move gracefully and with control. This is your moving meditation. Slowly shifting side to side, lengthening through the spine, building strength in the lower body while releasing tension from the lower back, the hips, neck, and shoulders. As you rotate your neck, you are stimulating the Da Zhui at the C7, a major point on the governing channel, the Du channel. This point often narrows with age, affecting blood flow through the neck into the brain. Stimulating the point helps clear stagnation and allow qi to flow more smoothly. And qi guides the blood. Come back to center, release the arms down. Bring the feet closer. Next, we will be working on the anti-aging point, the Yang Lao point. Hold your fist with the palm facing down. Feel the bump on the outer edge of your wrist. Place your index finger over the top of the bone. Now, turn your wrist towards your chest. You will feel a small dip appear right at the height of the bone. That is the location. Use your index finger to massage in a circular motion or apply acupressure press, hold, and lift, then press, hold, and lift. And now switch up, work on the point on the other wrist. Wow, mine feels really tender. This point is used to help with age-related issues like blurry vision, hearing loss, neck and shoulder pain, and osteoporosis. A gentle massage here can ease discomfort and support graceful aging. All right, this next one is a powerful self-care practice called 推腹, meaning pushing the belly. Cross your hands and use the base of your thumbs to gently massage down the center of your lower abdomen. Start just below the sternum, past the navel and the lower dantian. Dantian is a major energy center in the body, a focus of Taoist longevity practice. Go slow and steady. You can do this seated. This practice nourishes the body's yin essence, calms the nervous system, and stimulates the vagus nerve, helping your body shift into deep rest and repair. It is incredibly regulating and can help with many conditions over time if practiced daily. My teacher recommends doing it 3,000 times when practiced on its own. I know it takes time, but self-care takes time and discipline. And release your hands, shrug the shoulders up and back, rub your hands, generates heat, and then massage over your face for 9 times. This dry wash of the face helps improve complexion and brings out that beautiful natural glow. Massage your ears 9 times, every part of the ears. Hold the earlobes. Ear massage helps to calm the mind and clear the brain. Cup your head for 9 times. Top, back, and your neck. Friends, this concludes our longevity sequence. Each of these practices can stand on its own, and together they play an important role in nourishing our bodies and helping us age gracefully. If you enjoyed the practice, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.